See the video fully, it will be useful for you, hopefully. Actually, this is 2 days video. I make it for 20 minutes. Actually, I have 2 hours video. I minimized to 20 minutes. So far, if you not put the borewell, see this full video, you can understand everything. In this video, from beginning to till end, I made it full video coverage for customers. First, we will start with God. God is there our side. Everything we can get success very easily. After praying to God, after went to temple, then if you start any work will be nice. For this particular site outside of the way, let us lorry going to come to the side. From the road we have to take out with the reverse. It has to go. First it has to go main lorry. Then we have to pick up for the support lorry. We have to avoid the public crowd. You have to go in time. You have to stand in the road, adjust the traffic, then without disturbing, you have to come to the side. This is the first. Coming to the side. Then setting the lorry to the point is main important. Then you have to do the puja by party. Let us completing the puja. Hopefully we'll get success. My humble request, see this full video. It may useful for everyone. First is going 9-inch bit. She is going slowly started, getting to success. Everywhere the same way they have to follow. Then we have to wait for the loose soil. Beginning started. It is more loose soil. We have to use for clay bit. This will put. Actually, if you already dig the borewell, need not to see this video. Do not dig. See, this is clay bit. You have to setting this. Okay. Who are not aware about the borewell, if you see this video, complete picture is there. See, after putting the
sir.
we have to erect the 10-inch PVC pipe.
Yeah.
How much will it cost? We have to put one length. How much is going? We have to see. Who are having the knowledge of borewell works, this video is very simple. Who are not aware about the borewell works, this video is very this is the full type of job. Where is lifting is going on, where is proper work is going on, you can understand. When this powder has to come, definitely the case is set to the correct, avoiding the water injection. Without that water injection, you put we setting the pipe. One is normal pipe is there, one more is heavy pipe is there. If it is yellow border comes, that we have to treat heavy casing pipe.
जीप अभी बात है ये वाला ये என்ன வண்டி வந்தது என்ன வண்டி வந்தது
If the bottom you have to put one collar, then again every 20 feet one joint will come, that also you have to put collar. Collar will be chargeable, building also will be chargeable.
300 அவன் 500 கேக்குறான்.
We have to take the measurement of the casing pipe. Normally is 20 feet length will come. Try to subscribe, see the video fully, please. In this video, first we erected 10-inch PVC pipe, next we erected casing pipe, then we are removed. See, right round welding how to do it. Then we are pressing it, then again we are removing the casing pipe. Why we are again removing the casing pipe again? We have to set the water injection pipe. Through this only the water will go. From the top of borewell, water injection will go. This also will be chargeable. See, through this only water will go. After erection of casing pipe, then fitting of water injection pipe, then we have to start with a 6.5 inch bit. See, this is what 6.5 inch bit. After setting of the 6.5 inch hammer, we are planning to put the first rod. This rod is coming normally 20 feet. Somewhere it may come variation 17 feet, 18 feet, 19 feet like that. This type of rig name is sensor rig. Automatically every rods the lorry itself it take out and automatically it will fix up. For this actually labor is less required, even though we have a group of 11 members. Actually we start the work 4 o'clock. We start the work 7 p.m. So night came, we stopped. We got water night itself. I'm not planning to mention the depth. Why means the neighbors they didn't get the water. This side of neighbors half an inch, that side of the neighbor half an inch. Then next day morning we came to the site 6:30. Just I checked up, yesterday water came, today further we may expect the water. I checked up. When comparing yesterday, today getting water is very less. So yesterday night we got 1.5 inch to 2 inch. Today we expected more but didn't come that much. That machine given full report nicely. Before second day starting the work, slight light puja, getting success, we have to do the puja thrice. If we call in single mind, God will come single minute. Driller came to start the borewell lobby. What are going to see this one? Yesterday storage water. Yesterday 7 o'clock we stopped. Today we 7 o'clock started in the early morning. So some water is there. Just see. On comfort deck we will get that much water. So we start to hit the borewell in 820 feet. Why means this borewell we studied with the divining. 3 borewell connection is there. If you go more than 1400 meters, if you go 9 times from borewell connection is there. Then if you go 1050, one more bore connection is there. If you go 1180, one more bore connection is there. So we are not going to disturb any neighbors. That's the reason it is now 8:25. Anyway, we got Anandara is very nice about the water. The water comes with remaining for the water. Whatever is seeing the water now, this is on drilling is going on. Normally if it comes this one, we can say 2-inch water, but never I will commit. I will commit only 1.5-inch water. On drilling is 1.5-inch water is coming. This we got the water yesterday night itself. This is myself J. Selvaraj. Here the left side is Raju is there. So on drilling I checked up what is the statement is showing this machine. As per this machine saying further depth not recovered. What is the water level? Two points we got the water. So actually this is my own brother point. That's why I have taken so much liberty to video coverage everything. Customers' videos not possible as such. Thanks to my brother J. This also on drilling, whatever the depth is coming, see. On drilling like this, water comes. This is more enough for family, domestic purpose, not for commercial purpose. If it is commercial purpose means the big person driller will say we cannot go for further depth if it is more than 3-inch water. Actually we didn't get 3-inch water. What is God is given for us more enough. Thanks to God, given this much water is enough for our whole family. Hopefully for construction we can use. If it is less water, we have to use water injection, then only the cuttings will come out. Sometimes we get no need of water injection. In generally, the depth will go minimum 1000 feet. After that only water will go. Their neighbors go down. Luckily we got in less depth, no water. We got it. They have done nice good job. They got water. No, whatever the work, the willingness is main important. Now we are going to come to the ending point. See, we are doing the flushing now. This also chargeable flushing charges. We are putting the water from the borewell, from the rig, then borewell water, everything mix up. After mixing up, the all the dust, everything will come out. In this particular time, if you got yellow water, there is a shift in the borewell. If it is boreless there, that stone also will come out. Actually, what we'll do normally, we done the flushing, we have to remove the rod. This is everywhere, even myself also. This is my brother point, is my own point. So what I did, we have did some additional puja with the sweet. Then again we given half an hour back. The half an hour we have to see how much water storage is there. That we are done specially on request the board drink person did. For other party we won't do this work. We'll do the flushing, immediately we'll remove. Like that only. Everywhere I cannot follow. Okay. Generally business is different. My brother point is different. So I have to give little liberty. There is no way. With the sweet we did, then we given to everyone. Then tips also we given it. See, they're taking the sweet. That we have to do. Everywhere they will do. Okay. See, workers has to get happy. Actually, we provide some chicken also. See, this is special. If we do second time, second flushing charges they have to give. Already one flushing charge is over. This is second time. Second flushing charges will come. We'll see now. Half an hour gap we have given it. We are doing it now. Second, one more time. Thanks to seeing this video, this much stage, still some more is there. Just see, it will be useful. See, twice, thrice. Same work will do everywhere, everyone's. But water it has to come, it will come. Normally divining try to do twice. Second opinion you have to take. See, I am standing nearby red shirt. The full water came to see coming. When you comparing yesterday storage water, that is 12 hours, this is half an hour. Okay, water is there. More than 1.5 inch water is there. This much. After putting water, after putting motor, then we have to see. See what happened in the borewell. We have to take the camera scanning to be better. When the lorry is there, that time itself we have to try to take that. For that one more video attached, I have told in Kannada and hopefully you see that video also. It is more important video. Okay, before close the shop, before over the shop. The camera person
41 ರಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 2 ರಾಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
how much
ಇದು ಬಂದು 3ನೇ ರಾಡು.
what is the borehole gap is there, whether the filter pipes required or not, how much the borehole depth is there, everything they will tell you. Nice video. For complete video, try to visit, see, try to subscribe my channel. If it is in Bangalore, we are ready to do drilling as well as designing as well as borewell maintenance. We charge struck water removed, borewell cleaning, camera scanning, all type of job will be available only in Bangalore. Other places will do only water point, that is site inspection method, online water point, lab dowsing, like that. Please try to subscribe my channel. This part I have already mentioned on recording itself. I have told, okay, see this ending point, we have to see the hammer coming with the bit or not. See, it came nicely bit. Somewhere the hammer won't come. Customer has to watch.
ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ ಬಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡಣ ಅಂತ. ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಮೂಲಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅಂತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹನುಮಂತ ಅಂತ, ಅವರು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ 70 ಅಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 60 ಅಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಹಾಕೋನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಹಾಕೋನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು. ಯಾರು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಂದರೆ. ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅವರು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬಂದು ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತಂತ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿನಾ? ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಲ್ಟ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ. ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ 40 ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಂತು. ಇದು 60 ಫೀಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪು. ಹಾಂ, 65 ಫೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 65 ಫೀಟು ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಂ, $185 ಇದು ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ನೀರು ಬಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪು 145 ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ½ ಅವರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ½ ಅವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೀರಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ 10 ಅಡಿಲಿ ನೀರಿದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. 50 ಅಡಿ 100 ಅಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಕೆಲವು ಜಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ 90 ಫೀಟಿಗೆ ಇದು ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ 300 ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನು ಗಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ನೋಡೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೀಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 570 ಫೀಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸು? ಈಗ 1000 ಫೀಟ್ ಬೋರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕಾಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 50 ಅಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ 100 ಅಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಡೆಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಡೆಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರಾಡ್ ಬಂದು 20 ಫೀಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 18 ಫೀಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 70 ಫೀಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ರಾಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ರಾಡ್ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಡುಗಳು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ ಗಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. 20 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಗಾಡಿ, ಅವರು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. 816 ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 825 ಡ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಇದೆ ವೈಟಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡಿ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಈ ಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಕಾಸು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮಾ. ಆಮಾಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ. ಹಾಂ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್, ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾಮ್ಮ? ಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ.
God grace all work is over.
ದೇಡಿ ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬಾ.
They given the welding. See, this is coming.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
God only.
ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
If he comes after successing came nicely. Okay. Now the rig is ready to go out. Okay, thank you. First up support is going, next main line also going. Okay, all is well. Carry on. Thanks to seeing this video. All is well.